A dialogue of democracies. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has landed in Washington, D.C. for what is expected to be a historic U.S. visit. PM Modi will be meeting U.S. President Donald Trump for the first in the latter's second term, becoming the fourth leader after Israeli Prime Minister, Japanese leader and Jordan's king to meet Trump. The high-profile visit started with the U.S. intelligence chief Tulsi Gabbard meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, just hours after being confirmed for the coveted post. So what's on the agenda in this highly anticipated meeting between the two leaders, and how will the Trump-Modi bonhomie benefit India? One of the key issues on the agenda will be immigration. The Prime Minister will be in Washington days after President Trump deported 104 Indian nationals who entered the US illegally. Furthermore, the issue of the prized H-1B visa created a furor in the US in the early days of Trump's second term. The other highlight of the visit could be talks on the impending reciprocal tariffs that the US has warned could be announced any moment.
I do believe it will come before the Prime Minister's visit tomorrow, and I will let the President discuss the details on the reciprocal tariff front. But this is something he believes strongly in, and it's very simple logic as to why the President wants to impose reciprocal tariffs. It's the golden rule, which we all learned when we were growing up in school. Treat others the way you want to be treated, and far too many nations around this world have been ripping off the United States of America for far too long, and that's why the President believes this will be a great policy that will benefit American workers and improve our national security.
Analysts have warned that such levies could bring a broad tariff hike to emerging market economies like India and Thailand. Other key topics on the agenda can include defense purchases, civil nuclear cooperation, and security issues, including China's rising influence in the Indo-Pacific. With Donald Trump on a spree of signing one executive order after the other, India awaits what the 78-year-old's next move would be. Bureau Report for NDTV World.